Another great paper in the large language model space, named Learn Your Reference Model for Real Good Alignment. Looks like Direct Preference Optimization, or DPO, is out, and Trust Region Direct Preference Optimization, or TR-DPO, is in. TR-DPO outperforms DPO by up to 19%. This research tackles the challenge of aligning large language models, LLMs, with human preferences, focusing on improving the stability and effectiveness of existing alignment techniques. The paper argues that the current methods, while utilizing a reference model, typically a supervised fine-tuned LM or SFD policy, often keep this reference static throughout the training process, limiting the potential for optimal alignment. Introducing Trust Region Direct Preference Optimization, TR-DPO. The paper proposes a novel approach called Trust Region Direct Preference Optimization, TR-DPO. The core idea is to update the reference policy during training, allowing the model to learn and adapt more effectively to human preferences. This is achieved through two primary update methods. Soft update. This method gradually integrates the parameters of the trained policy, pi theta, into the reference policy, pi ref, using a weighting factor alpha. This allows for a smooth transition and prevents drastic changes that could destabilize the training process. Hard update. This method replaces the reference policy with the trained policy for a predefined number of training steps tau. This allows for more significant updates and can be beneficial when the model needs to make larger jumps in its learning trajectory. Connecting to Trust Region Optimization. The concept of updating the reference policy is linked to Trust Region Optimization methods. The paper suggests that TR-DPO operates within a space between the traditional alignment objective equation 1 and the Trust Region Variant equation 5. By controlling the frequency and scale of updates to the reference policy through alpha and tau, TR-DPO aims to achieve a balance between maximizing rewards and maintaining stability. Experimental setup and results. The paper evaluates TR-DPO on two datasets, Anthropic HH preference pairs and Reddit TL. Drive summarization, human preference judgments on summaries. Various sizes of Pythia models are used, and both soft and hard update strategies are explored with different alpha and tau values. The evaluation involves autosys evaluation. GPT-4 is used as a proxy for human evaluators to compare the preferences between TR-DPO and the DPO baseline across various samples. Human-centric metrics evaluation. The probability of improvement POI is calculated for key human-centric metrics like coherence, correctness, level of detail, helpfulness, and harmlessness. Diversity analysis. The impact of different update strategies on generation diversity is analyzed by measuring metrics like KL divergence and generation length. The results demonstrate that TR-DPO outperforms the traditional DPO approach in both datasets across various model sizes. Key findings include TR-DPO achieves higher win rates compared to DPO autosys evaluations, especially with alpha values between 0.5 and 0.7. POI analysis shows that TR-DPO statistically significantly surpasses DPO human-centric metrics with optimal alpha and tau settings. TR-DPO effectively manages long text generation while maintaining a balance between alignment and linguistic diversity. Impact on training dynamics and gradient behavior. The paper analyzes the impact of reference policy updates on the training process. It is observed that higher alpha values and lower tau values lead to increased gradient scales, which can indicate greater instability during training. Therefore, a balanced choice of alpha and tau is crucial for ensuring a stable training trajectory and achieving optimal model performance. Conclusion and future work. TR-DPO offers a simple, effective approach for improving LL alignment with human preferences. By dynamically updating the reference policy, the model can adapt and learn more effectively, leading to improved performance across various tasks and model sizes. Future research directions include exploring the applicability of TR-DPO to other alignment methods and further investigating the relationship between update strategies, gradient dynamics, and training stability.